Hello, everyone. This is Miss Kleskett. Today we learned about pronouns, drawing conclusions, and making inferences. Let's see how much you remember or how much you know. Remember, drawing conclusions means figuring something out for yourself. To draw conclusions, you need to think about what makes the most sense. When we're making inferences, it's using what you already know in addition to what the story says. Drawing conclusions and making inferences helps you understand a story better. As you read the story, think about what you already know in addition to what the story says. Try to figure out what the story means by thinking about what makes the most sense. The greedy man. There once was a very greedy man who sold everything he owned and bought a brick of gold. He buried the gold brick behind a hut that was across the road from his shabby old house. Every day the greedy man went across the road and dug up his gold brick to look at it. After a while, a workman noticed the greedy man going across the road every day and decided to follow him. The next day the greedy man dug down for his gold brick, but the hole was empty. He pulled at his hair and cried out in sorrow. "My beautiful gold brick," he wept. A neighbor came running and asked the greedy man what had happened. When the greedy man told him, the neighbor just shrugged his shoulders. "Why be so sad?" said the neighbor. "Just go and get a rock and put it in that hole and pretend that it is gold. It will do you as much good as the gold did." Question 1. Why did the greedy man bury his gold brick? A. He didn't have a house. B. He thought it would grow into a tree of gold. C. He was afraid that someone would steal it. Question 2. Why did the greedy man go and dig up his gold brick every day? A. Looking at it made him sad. B. Looking at it made him happy. C. He wanted to sell it. Question 3. Why did the workman follow the very greedy man? A. He didn't like the greedy man. B. He knew the greedy man had a gold brick. C. He was curious. Question 4. Why did the greedy man find that the hole was empty and his gold brick was gone? A. The workman had stolen it. B. The greedy man had sold it. C. The greedy man's neighbor had stolen it. Think about what makes the most sense to draw a conclusion. The neighbor told the greedy man that he might as well bury a rock in the hole and pretend that it was gold. This is probably because A. The neighbor wanted the gold brick for himself. B. The neighbor wanted to be the greedy man's friend. C. The gold brick had done the greedy man no real good. Guys, pronouns must agree with the nouns and verbs in a sentence. So you are going to select the correct pronoun from the word bank and use it to fill in the blank. Question 1. Mark and Sue said blank have to go to school on Friday. Question 2. Bob thought that blank could stay up until midnight. Question 3. That is not your car, it's blank. Question 4. The dog was sick and blank wouldn't play fetch with me. Question 5. Julie was going to the store when blank fell off her bike. Number 6. Jason and Jamie asked blank parents if they could have some money.